Welcome to my channel about embedded systems, fischertechnik and robotics. If you're new to this channel or haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. Thank you for subscribing. This video is focused on my driving a robot discovery based on the fischertechnik TXT controller, running embedded Linux and programmed in Python. Last time I focused on rewiring the two switches, this one and this one, primarily this one though, and I did a test with color separation on these objects, also fischertechnik, and separating red from the rest. Now the focus is to hopefully it isn't necessary to replace the battery pack, but I want to improve the algorithm with respect to taking pictures with this camera, as well as sonar, and how fast it can run, because it takes way too long now before the robot actually starts to drive. And that makes it for me boring, but for you as viewer as well. So let's boot the robot and see whatever I can get done. Alright, now testing means in this case also screencast. And there's something I noticed. Last time I was trying to figure out how to put these switches in which position in order to select the battery pack. I put them all both to neutral, and to my surprise it just works out. Which raises the question, what difference does it make? I'm not sure anymore, but I will have to find out. Anyway, everything is set. So let's do a first test and see how much delay there is with password, unfortunately, to get things running. Go. Here we start. Oh, I can do it much quicker probably, but oh, this doesn't sound very good, by the way. 0 millivolts. If I am going to change this, so I put it towards the controller. What does it say now? And it runs. So moving the camera towards it, what does it say then? Does it do anything at all? And this is the downside of putting my password in each time. Copy and paste would be much easier, but would that work anyway? I don't think so. Okay, let me finish this. I will do this again, and this time with this switch of course here, and see if that makes a difference in counting the voltage. That is very interesting. So everything set again. let's go. And I'm not waiting for errors. That makes even more longer waiting. And my controller is off. That is not nice. I should have measured. But anyway, this is a vague sign. How to deal with it. Alright, battery pack replaced. And obviously, I forgot about that. I have to relog in. So I have to do this all over again and set the date, which is by now 1402. I'm in, but here I'm not yet in. That's it. So yeah, let's go and see how far this reaches. And also for the voltages, 2.5 seconds for the camera. And now this is much better, although not quite satisfactory, because this one is only set to neutral and not to off. So this should be 0. It's not completely accurate. But I'm going to do another test, copying my password in, if that will help. As it turns out, copying my password works. And this is the result. So, what happens next? Much quicker, but this is not impressed, that one isn't impressed. Okay, how to deal with the images, and should I put this one to from neutral to 0 in order to get rid of the basic voltage? Okay, and that went wrong. As soon as I put this one, this switch to 0 or to the other side, it went off. And it is disconnected from the switch. So, or disconnected from the battery pack anyway. They're both connected to the power. So apparently when this one goes off, it cuts off that power as well. Very odd. So let's go again, and I of course have to re-log in. here as well, and setting the date. Which is by now 9, so not that much work. Anyway, let's start once again. So I have to put this to neutral, and let me change the camera position a bit so you can see the whole ride without me having to relocate the camera. Hopefully no errors. It stops right in front of the object. And it's copying the images, which need a password, unfortunately. But I needed to turn around for something, so failed. Oh, that's a new one. Why does it fail? Operation on closed file? Why would that be? I have to investigate that as well. Let's check this one. Oh, it won't work because I've selected the wrong battery pack, the wrong interface, which is this one. Now I can check it, and this one says 0, and this one says 8. So this says 51, which is unmeasurable apparently. It doesn't say just 0. So I don't like those switches that much. Anyway, I have to check this. Okay, some investigation on the data file. This is all there is in the file. And so if I take a look at the data, it's 410. This is just after the latest file. This is 49, this is 14.9, this is 14.10. So how much sense does this make? Not much. 51. Where does it say 51? Here. Which means that this is exactly the last thing. No, this is exactly the first thing it could not write anymore. But why is it closed? Why did it close the file? That's very strange. Okay, let me take 100%. Okay, I need this one. Copy, paste, go. And the image as well. No, not like that. No. wholly and completely. Copy. Oh wait, that's a problem, of course. I should have done this, and then display, paste, ampersand, and that's this. How does it help me? Not much, because it tells me there is here something red. That's clearly the knob, and this is, I had expected red here as well, which I don't see. Here black, and all is red, which is not the case. Not nice. So more things, more riddles and more things to investigate. So with these unexpected endings of data file and battery pack and switch settings, as well as with the imaging of the grabbed images, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. Click the bell for notifications. This is obviously going to be continued. Longer in the story, but that's the way it goes. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram, and please do support by either a donation via PayPal or becoming a patron. More information under this video. Take a look at my website. Also all information, or most information, in the final segment hereafter. For now, take care, have a nice day, stay safe, bye.